These viral clips where different objects are made out of matches and then set on fire are blowing up right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for a GPT model called Matchstick Shorts and select it. Click on Start Chat and type in an object, for example, a lion. The GPT model will then give you 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts, where 4 of them are related to the object you entered. Copy the first text-to-image prompt for the lion and go to OpenArt. In OpenArt, click on Create Image and select the model Nano Banana 2. Paste the text-to-image prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, set the resolution to 2K, and choose how many images you want to generate. Then click on Generate, and you'll get images like these. Now go to the Video tab, choose Frame to Video, and select the model Veo 3.1. Select the image you just created and then switch back to ChatGPT. Copy the text-to-video prompt and paste it into OpenArt. Turn audio on and set the mode to either fast or quality. Both work fine, but in this example, we'll use fast. Set the output to 9:16, the resolution to 1080, and the duration to 8 seconds. Then click on Generate. After that, you'll get a video like this. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.